Stay high, there's a car on the low side. You're up top, 3 wide. Hold your line. Right side, 2 wide. Clear inside.
It's hard when you're going into the corners to not go back up on the track.
Clear inside.
No, everybody's pitted.
Reckon.
Outside.
Ooh.
Oh, he saved it. Oh, he saved it.
Inside. Stay high. Keep high.
No.
Still there, inside. Stay high. Clear.
I'll stay high for you, Marshall. What is yours?
70.
Car outside. Pace car is off. Be ready.
Let's take it easy off the start there, eh, boys?
Green flag, green flag.
I want to dump him so fucking bad.
No can do,
Right
bro.
in front of me.
Oh, there's the 17. Holy shit.
Good job, good job.
Inside.
I hate wonder.
Keep high.
Oh my god.
You're in the middle.
I know he's on old tires and you
Clear.
have to go
2 wide.
fucking half speed on the restart.
Clear.
Just fucking took out Mike Rhino in the process of trying to avoid him.
Oh boy.
Really, dude? Fucking asshole.
Car
My bad there. Got squeezed. I got a fucking drive, guy. Come on.
You learned how to fucking drive.
Still
Whoa.
there, bottom.
We can talk about it after the race if you'd like.
Still there, hold your line.
That's what she said.
That doesn't make sense.
One of these days you'll make one of those jokes and it'll make sense, but today's not
Clear
clear.
inside. You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 1.5.
I'm pretty proud of you guys. I didn't cause any jam ups. Everybody getting around.